to talk about a possible optimization that you can use in the TPL Dataflow task library. So let's get started. Basically, I have created a boiler example, single producer example, and we can take a quick look as to what it is. I have a static method which is going to be called to start it. I have created a link option so we can propagate completion. So I create a producer block and I also create a consumer block. And producer block is linked to the consumer block with link options which are already explained in terms of propagation completion is true. So if you look at the producer block, it's basically a transform block and it multiplies its input by 2 and that's pretty much it. And if you look at the consumer block, it gets an input parameter and it basically ignores it, so it doesn't do anything. So that's all the action block is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start a stopwatch here and I'm going to send a series of messages, in fact 500,000 messages to the producer block. And if any of those messages fails, I will print failed post. After that, I will complete the producer block. In the consumer block, I will wait for it to be completed and I will stop the stopwatch. And on the console, I'll print done and it will also indicate how long it took to complete that. So let's run this thing and see what we get. I have run this earlier once before and you can see that I got about 206 millisecond time to do this. If I do it again, let's just do it twice. You can see it's about 211. So it's around about 200 something in at least 2 runs. So how can you improve this? So one way you can improve this, if you look at our consumer, it is only getting messages from only one producer. So this can be optimized. So to optimize, I'm going to set an option called new data flow. Execution data flow options, and where I am going to call single producer constrained is equal to true. So we have basically set this one option in our consumer block, and let's see if we run this program again what it does. Hopefully it should be improving the performance, and we can take a quick look. So you can see the performance has come in quite a bit, pretty good, 149 instead of 211 or 200 something. And you can run it again and you can see it is around 158. So regardless, it will always come out to be better. So you should only use this option if the consumer is linked to only one producer. If you link into two producers or multiple producers, you will get incorrect results. But this is a good optimization to try, and I'll put this video under my website under TPL Dataflow and so on. Thank you for watching this short screencast and you have a great day.